Hello everybody and welcome to another video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to make an insane Fortnite thumbnail. So let's get into it. And first thing you're going to want to do is go to the App Store and type in PicsArt. And you're going to want to download this app, and this is where we're going to be making the YouTube thumbnails. So when you're done downloading PicsArt, you're going to want to go on it. And when you're in the home screen, you're going to want to press the plus button on the bottom and type, and then you're going to want to go to any photos that you have. So first thing I'm going to be doing on this is go to stickers and put in Fortnite skins. So this has a ton of different skins which you can choose from. So I'm just going to find one that I really like, and yeah. Okay, so I found one that I like, so I like this Gold Trooper one. I'm going to press on it, and I'm going to put it on this side and put it to size. So now that I have it how I want, I'm going to press apply. And second thing I'll want to do is go text. And in this case, I'll just write my name and change the font. So the font that I'll use is Luckiest Guy, which when you scroll down is right here. So then I'm going to put this to size. And before I press apply, I'm going to go down here and I'm going to crank the amount all the way up and then press apply now. So you're basically done with your thumbnail now, but there's one last thing that I add, which I'll go back to stickers and put in Fortnite thumbnail, where I'll find this border down here, and I'm just going to put this to the proper size. Okay, so now that I have it how I want, I'm just going to press apply, and then next, and then I'm going to save this to my photos. So that's the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and bye!